Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unarchive reel on Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now select Archive option. Tap on the drop-down menu which is right next to Stories Archive. And then select Post Archive option. Then select the reel that you want to unarchive. Tap on the three vertical dots. And then tap on Show on Profile option. And if you are sure, tap on Show on Profile option once again. And this is how you can unarchive reel on Instagram. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.